Welcome back to Tech Solutions Info. Over here, we bring solutions to your tech challenges. Today, we are going to teach you how to locate on-screen keyboard manually using your mouse in a case of a malfunction on your physical computer keyboard where you can't search on your start menu. This method is helpful in the absence of a keyboard. Let's get into it. Open this PC and open your local disk. Open Users folder and open your personalized user folder. Watch here carefully. We need to enter a folder named App Data, but you will find that folder when you do this first. Follow closely. Now click View on the tab above and click Show on the next drop-down, then check Hidden Items to show all hidden files. Now locate and open the App Data folder, then go ahead and open Roaming folder. Scroll down to locate and open Microsoft folder and open Windows folder next. Open Start Menu folder and open Programs folder. And finally, open Accessibility folder to find the on-screen keyboard execution file. Double-click the execution file to open on-screen keyboard. This is all you need to do using just your mouse to locate on-screen keyboard. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, share to a friend who needs to see, subscribe and comment down below a problem you need us to help you fix.